Hey, how's it going everyone? Nick here with The Last Coat. I wanted to introduce to you all our newest and latest release, CeraTex. This is going to be a ceramic-based sealant for all your textile needs. So your fabrics, your upholstery, your carpets, that kind of thing. Take it even into your house if you want. I got a floor mat here that I was going to show you how to do an application on. It's very, very simple. We have our spray bottle here. We're going to shake it up and turn our bottle to spray. And we're just literally going to lightly mist the surface. Once we do that, we have a couple options to actually apply it. We can use a soft bristle brush like you see here, or my preferred method is just wear some nitrile or latex gloves and literally just rub it right into the surface. Now, if you're looking for extreme water and liquid repellency, we can do up to 3 layers on top of here. So after you apply this first layer, like you just seen me do here, or like I said, you take your brush and you just rub it right into the surface. We're gonna wait 2 hours for the surface to dry, then we're gonna come back and put a second layer on there. Then we're gonna wait another 2 hours and we're gonna put a third layer on there. Once you reach the third layer, if you tried to put a fourth, it's probably gonna start repelling itself. So 3 is about the maximum amount of layers you can put, but I wanted to show you guys the repellency of 3 layers. So I already have one of these mats done up here, and we have to let this cure for 24 to 48 hours, depending on how humid and what your weather conditions are, basically, right? So this is completely coated with 3 layers. I'm going to take some Coca-Cola here. And as you can see, we get some pretty good hydrophobics. We can just take a microfiber and literally blot the surface dry at this point. We could even take a shop vac or whatever have you and try to extract some more out of there, but pretty much a microfiber is going to blot up everything that you need. So I hope that helps you guys, and really excited for the CeraTex. I know you guys are going to love it. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.